Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. So I'm just going to take you on a short walk round tour of one of our bespoke Elite range. So this particular model being the Elite 650 2020, a fantastically well-spec'd rear island bed with centre bathroom on a twin axle caravan. So here is a good look at that particular model. So the Elite range being bespoke to us here at Grantham based on the Challenger range of Swift, where we've added some fantastic unique features to really lift this caravan and make it look absolutely fantastic. So the carbon fibre finish on the front there is standard on all Swifts for Challenger range and upwards. Some of the additional features, we've added the ATC trailer control system, making for a far safer and secure tow. We've also got the stabiliser handle on the jockey wheel there, and we've got the wonderful chrome Elite logo that you see located at the front. You've got that Elite logo also going down the side of the caravan and the wonderful plushing through to Union Jack logo. You've got an exterior barbecue point, side access hatch to underneath the front couch, an external entertainment pod with triple arm TV bracket inside should you wish to put a television into the awning, and also an exterior 240 volt socket. So let's step inside. So the first thing you notice when you step inside is that wonderful diamond effect splashback. You've got the beautiful stainless steel sink, which is an upgrade for the 2020s on the Swifts. An omnivent in the kitchen area and an easy usable height microwave just above the sink. Combination oven and grill with 3 gas hob burners and 1 electric with pan storage underneath. Ample storage throughout the kitchen area with a wonderful side extension. You've got the gloss wood finish and also a panoramic sunroof at the front. So let's open that up to give you a real good feeling of space and let a fantastic amount of light into the caravan. A medium-sized Hecky light. And then one of the other key features is this wonderful upgraded fabric scheme that we've hand selected here at Grantham to make the Elite range completely bespoke to us. You have a PIR sensor for the alarm. On the front binnacle, we've got a 240 volt socket and some USB points, and a short pull-out table located in the front chest. So you're benefiting in this caravan from the Aldi wet central heating and also the Swift command panel. So on the side here, we've got a space for a television as a consideration for you with a little bit of storage underneath. You've also got a wonderful tall fridge freezer which opens on both sides with further storage located above. So stepping through to this central bathroom area, you've got an illuminated washroom mirror with the Elite logo on it, with storage underneath, and your Thetford toilet located to the left-hand side, with a well-finished sink area, further storage again, and a small vanity mirror, with storage also above the toilet, and a small Hecky light. You've got a very, very spacious circular shower cubicle here, with water-saving shower head, and a Aldi wet central heater in the bathroom area, and then also you see there going through to the bedroom. Wonderful finish as well down the sides of both of the cabinets and also above with a medium-sized Hecky light. Further point for a television in the bathroom, in the bedroom area, my apologies, which can be viewed obviously from this wonderful rear island bed in this particular model. So that gives you a real good feel and a good understanding for what this Elite 650 2020 has to offer. If you have any queries or questions, please feel free to get in contact with us and we'd be more than happy to help you. Thank you for taking the time to watch the walk round tour, and we look forward to hearing from you. Bye bye now.